Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I will show you how to update BluetoothDriver Windows 11 step by step to fix Bluetooth issues and improve performance. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the search icon on the taskbar near the Start button. This helps you quickly find apps and system tools in Windows 11. Step 2. Type Device Manager and open it from the results. Device Manager lets you manage and update hardware drivers on your computer. Step 3. Find Bluetooth and click the arrow to expand it. This shows all Bluetooth devices installed on your system. Step 4. Right-click your Bluetooth driver from the list. A menu will appear with different options for that device. Step 5. Click Update Driver from the menu. This allows Windows to check for a newer driver version. Step 6. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search and install the latest available driver if found. Step 7. Restart your computer after the update finishes. This helps apply the changes properly. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.